Hitesh Jain, senior advocate from Mumbai, has in the past, and I think you still are, advising Sanjay Dutt. Mukesh Bhatt, president of the Film and Television Producers Guild of India, supports Sanjay Dutt and the reprieve he's got. So does senior advocate and NCP leader Majid Maman, questioning this reprieve. Rahul Narvekar of the Shiv Sena also advocate. Sanjay Hegde, senior advocate of the Supreme Court. Abha Singh, senior advocate and social activist. She's in our studios in Delhi. And Zebunissa Qazi's daughter is with me in our studios in Mumbai. She's not revealing her identity. Thank you very much. With the greatest of respect to the Supreme Court of India, and I'm not even getting into the question of whether once an appeal court dismisses an appeal, whether this case can be opened up again. That's a question that also will beg some discussion now, won't it, Rahul? Whether once a case is discussed, debated, appealed and closed, whether it can be opened up again.
There's no question. If he's filed a review petition and if the review petition has been dismissed, there's no further legal recourse left for the accused or for the convict other than filing a clemency petition before the President of India. That's the only alternate left. But before the judiciary, there's absolutely nothing left.
Nothing left.
Nothing left.
Sanjay Hegde feels, and I want to start with you, he feels that that the case of Zebunissa Qazi is more deserving than that of Sanjay Dutt. Why do you think so?
Well, look, anybody who's over 70 in indifferent health, if you send her into prison, effectively you are saying that you are going to die in prison. In such cases, that is where clemency powers of the government come in. Clemency is an executive decision. If an application is made on her behalf, I would have expected the Home Minister of the state of Maharashtra or in the Union Home Ministry to have considered these cases fast enough. They had 4 weeks to surrender. The sentence was beginning. If these cases had been considered fast enough and a decision taken that at least people who are almost on the verge of death, they need not necessarily go to jail, especially if their roles are entirely peripheral. These are the kind of cases for which the clemency provisions are designed. They're not being used in this country. It is due to good fortune that in this particular case, because a film star is involved, because people have invoked clemency petitions, that the entire debate has been opened out.
Yeah.
In such cases, and not only in the Bombay Blast, but there are several such cases where clemency should be more often used.
Yeah.
But in the present case, there is no clemency petition filed by the accused or the convicts.
The question is very simple. Question is very simple. No, question is very simple actually. Let's bring it down to basics. And again, I'm saying this with the greatest of respect to the Supreme Court of India. Majid Maman, what kind of an argument is this? I have got 282 crore rupees riding on my films. Well, that's your commitment. That's your problem. Deal with it. Somebody else has other commitments. Zebunissa Qazi can say, I have a commitment to take care of my daughter. How is Zebunissa Qazi's commitment to take care of her daughter less important than the personal financial profit of either Sanjay Dutt or those he is financially committed to?
Arnav, see, please try to understand that I have heard you now, you were making certain comments with, of course, highest respect to the Supreme Court. You know, this is not reopening the case. The case has been settled judicially, save and except a narrow window of review, which also has been exhausted in the case of Zebunissa and 2 others. Now, see the difference between now, you are trying to highlight and the people are misunderstanding the whole situation. It becomes my duty to explain if you give me a couple of minutes. See, what did Zebunissa get? What did she ask? What did Sanjay ask and what did he get? Let us not confuse. Zebunissa was asking for suspension of sentence till her clemency petition pending before the President of India is decided, which the Supreme Court negated.
Yeah.
Sanjay Dutt did not. Sanjay Dutt's petition is also pending. Raj's petition is pending. He didn't ask the Supreme Court.
No, but
that
Majid Maman,
give me concession till my petition is responded.
Majid Maman.
One more minute. One more sentence before you come in. See, now age is by itself not enough for this reason, that once
That
the
this-
law finally has
Sir-
ordered you to serve the sentence, the question is when will you start
no, 1
serving?
minute, 1
If
minute,
the age
1
is-
minute, I'm sorry.
You will become
No, no,
older
no, no,
after 1 year.
With again, with greatest of respect now to Sanjay Dutt. Truth must be
Please.
told. Truth must be told.
No, to Supreme Court.
Truth must be told. Truth must be told. Sanjay Dutt at the age of 54 is not exactly India's #1 actor. He has some money riding on his films. Now the fact is, tomorrow,
who says that he
1
is
minute. So allow me to finish my line of argument. I get Rahul Narvekar on this. Truth be told, I have great
Please.
respect for Sanjay Dutt too.
Please.
He is not at the prime of his career. Now, which means, by which logic, tomorrow, if there is a #1 actor, #2 actor, #3 actor, he'll say, I have 2,000 crores riding on my films.
No.
So I need a reasonable amount for Sanjay Dutt, maybe 8 weeks or 4 weeks. I need 2 years.
No, Arnab, forget about how much money is riding on the films. Tomorrow, if an industrialist who's accused and who's convicted comes and says, there are 20,000 shareholders who've invested in my company,
Yeah.
they put their bread and butter. Are you going to give the same logic?
No,
This is not a very appropriate precedent to my mind which has been set. This is a precedent which will be used by one and all. Today you've got Sanjay Dutt. Tomorrow, if Salman Khan is convicted and if Saif Ali Khan is convicted,
They'll say
we've got 500 crores lying on us, so therefore give us time. Tomorrow, if an industrialist is arrested
So
and
you're saying it
convicted,
opens the floodgates?
Of course it does. And it sets a very poor precedent to my mind.
This whole argument of opening of floodgate is misplaced. What he has been given just 4 weeks time and then he has to surrender. He has not been given a reprieve or he has been given pardon or we are making a debate as if he has been acquitted by the Supreme Court and reopened the case.
Question is
and second thing about the question which Rahul made about the industrialist and all these examples and concern. As far as when actor is acting in the movie, you cannot replace an actor.
Really?
As far as industry is concerned,
Really?
the management set is there. So I don't think. And one more thing. Rahul, you and me, we have been there. There are matters you are aware as a lawyer. There is a power of Supreme Court under Article 142. And if you are aware, in the Carbide case, the Supreme Court had settled the matter then by payment of compensation, and everybody were acquitted.
My point is, number one, of course the same principle applies in case of an industrialist, because for an industrialist who has the special skills of managing a company, the people have invested in a company looking at that managing director. Number one. Number two.
Let them complete their argument.
Just give me half a minute. Number two, did anyone put a gun on the heads of these producers and tell them sign contracts with Sanjay Dutt?
Yeah.
They very well knew he is under trial. He's facing the judiciary. So they did that at their own risk, at their own peril. And number three, if financial constraints are going to be given weightage over justice, then God save the judiciary and of this country.
Question, let's get everyone in.
There is one more issue you have to consider before you get everyone in. There is an issue. This is a case.
Putting a line of argument.
No. There is a very important line of argument which has been missed in
His
the entire
line of
debate.
argument is everyone is committed.
He is not this thing. This is in this case, all the convicts had been given 4 weeks time to surrender. There are thousands of cases where the convicts have been asked to surrender on a single day. So in that case, if that is the case, then all those thousands of people will say that all the 50 accused have been given 4 weeks time. So you cannot
you have faltered in your own argument.
So this is not a faltering of the argument. All these things of saying he has been because he is an actor. This is all a misnomer. Rahul, come on. We have done so many matters. People have been granted reprieve and all.
This decision of the Supreme Court only drives one point, that today financial constraints weigh over judicial decisions.
Now you are both remarkable advocates, gentlemen.
Arnab.
You are 1 minute. So we're coming to you. You're all remarkable advocates. Remarkable advocates, but I am not. But I just want to bring it to what I think is the core issue, and I want to put that to Mukesh Bhatt. Mukesh Bhatt, let's suppose we don't just have respect. We have the greatest amount of sympathy for this gentleman called Sanjay Dutt. Can you tell me whether these movies he's doing, including Police Giri and I don't know what their names are, whether he's performing national service? Is he performing national service by making these movies?
No, listen. I completely understand
the hate scenario around a film actor, which is very
there's no
natural.
hate. No,
Everybody
don't
wants to
mistake
hate
it.
somebody who's
Don't
successful.
mistake it. Don't
Who's
mistake
successful.
it. Don't mistake
See,
it,
listen,
Mukesh
let us
Bhatt.
not
Don't
we're not
mistake it.
disputing. Can you let me
Equality
talk?
before the law.
No, listen, you ask me a question. Arnav, either you let me talk or you only talk.
No, answer,
You
but
ask
don't
me a
say hate.
question, let me first talk. Listen to me first. When you ask me a question, will you allow me to talk?
Yeah, please, but don't say hate.
Or you'll only go on talking your point of view and not let me talk at all?
I'm just saying, don't use a word like hate. Nobody has hate. We are talking about equality of law, Mr. Bhatt. That's
No,
all.
I can hear that. I can hear that. Anyway, that's my point of view. You might beg to differ from me. That's a different thing. What I want to tell you, plain and simple, I'm not a lawyer. I don't understand all that. We're not talking about judicial justice or injustice and all that. We applied, we requested the Supreme Court, and we all must respect the Supreme Court with the highest esteem,
Of
because
course
that's
we do.
what we are supposed to do as citizens of the country.
Of course we do.
They are aware people, the enlightened people, they have come and said that 4 weeks is granted so that there are workers whose money has been blocked for films which are more than, listen to me, first listen to me and then you can talk what you want to talk. The workers whose monies have been blocked, innocent workers, not producers only, because everybody thinks that a producer is some czar. You don't realize, I'm a filmmaker also, there are 90% of the producers sign hundis, borrow money on interest. Even the film is more than 90% ready, it requires just a 4 or 5 day shooting left to complete. There are families will be wiped out. So if Sanjay Dutt goes 4 weeks later, completing 4 or 5 important films which are more than 90 to 95% complete, you will be saving a lot of lives, whether they are workers, technicians, producers, families who have borrowed crores of rupees interest. By him going 4 weeks later, is not going to be end of the world. That's what we are trying to say.
So one minute,
what is the judgment given that he has to go behind bars? So be it.
Mr. Bhatt,
but by helping him go 4 weeks later and solving the lives of hundreds of people, I don't see any problem.
Hundreds of people. Lives have to be solved.
Arnav, there was a similar situation
one minute.
In 1951 in Balraj Sahni's case. Just give me a minute. Arnav, Balraj Sahni was in prison. There was a movie to be completed. It was a movie called Halchal. Balraj Sahni used to be let out by the prison authorities with guards. He used to go complete his shooting and he used to come back at the end of the day in prison. It is not as if these movies could not have been made without Sanjay Dutt being at liberty. He could have done his sentence, and in extreme cases the government of the day could have even allowed him to complete the movies.
I am asking today.
Application was only a ruse, only a reason to get some time.
If such relief.
Abha Singh,
reliefs also.
Abha Singh, Mukesh Bhatt says, Sanjay Dutt is not doing this for Sanjay Dutt. Sanjay Dutt is doing this for the people. Sanjay Dutt is doing this for the ordinary workers, for their families. Sanjay Dutt is performing, according to Mukesh Bhatt, some kind of social service by staying out of jail for the next 4 weeks.
This is all a commercial venture. This is a commercial venture, and if for protecting the interests of the money of Sanjay Dutt and the producers, if humanitarian clause has been taken, I am saddened today that Article 42, which was supposed to be used for extraordinary situations, it has been used to suspend the sentence of Azad Hind Fauj, of people involved in the naval mutiny, and today that 142 is being used for a person who was involved in Mumbai 93 blast. I mean, he had procured AK-56, he had destroyed it. Tada charges were dropped, but CBI did not go in appeal. I would like to tell them that CBI asked for permission to go in appeal, but it was shut down by the government. And now again you come to the Aam Aadmi, the poor man, he would not even get 10,000, 50,000, and you talk 300 crores. It is a commercial venture, and for that CRPC 418 is there. They can use the law of contract, get the money out. But using a humanitarian Article 142 for movies, it is shocking that a lady who is 70, Shah
Yes.
Mercy petition was turned down, and now we should go for a parity, and she should move tomorrow on parity grounds, because
goes
law
to jail
says that once you
if
have
it's
given
rejected.
to somebody on the same issue, it has to be given.
No one.
Let me make
And
one thing
yesterday
clear.
the judge
Let me
said
make one
that
thing clear.
it will open a Pandora's box, and it has opened.
It has opened a Pandora's box, no doubt
Arnab,
about
it has not opened Pandora's box. Let's not make this thing. Sanjay Dutt was only convicted under Arms Act. Zebunisa was convicted under TADA. So there were
Question
two
is
different.
off. The
Second thing,
question is off.
second thing,
The question
Sanjay
is-
Dutt did not apply for pardon. Sanjay Dutt did not apply any pending reliefs and all. He straight away applied that
what
I am
will
asking.
happen? What will
And
happen
ultimately,
is-
what is happening? He is going to surrender after 4
It's not a
weeks.
question of whether he will surrender. You see, the question always...
And about
the mood-
Article 142, what Abha was
mood
telling,
issue-
it was invoked in the Carbide case also.
I now want to
when
get
the reprieve was
Zebunisa
given.
Qazi's daughter. You see, the moot issue here is 2 or 3 issues. Is age, I'm just putting this for viewers, is age, ill health, less important a consideration than money put in films? That's quite... 1 minute, please, don't get worked up.
I'll answer
Second
this,
question
Arnab,
is...
if you permit me.
I will come to you, sir. Is the private financial risk of producers more important than, say, the commitments that somebody else may have? We're not talking apples and oranges. The comparison will be made, Mr. Memon. I'm coming back to you, but I'd like to go to Zebunisa Qazi's daughter, who's been listening to this debate.